I always receive so many complaints from people saying they always lose their WhatsApp messages, pictures, videos, and other important documents of theirs. If you watch this video to the end, I'll be taking you through step-by-step procedure on how to never lose your messages, pictures, videos, and other documents of yours, even if you change a new phone. If you are new here, don't forget to subscribe to this channel. Like this video to show me some love. Then leave a comment in the comment section. Just type WhatsApp. Just type WhatsApp. I just want you to type WhatsApp. Let me know whether you are following attentively. So first of all, you are going to launch your WhatsApp, or you open your WhatsApp. When you open your WhatsApp, if you are using an Android, you see these three dots here. You click on these three dots. When you click on it, you click on settings. We have settings here. You click on settings. When you click on settings, then you click on chats. So we have chats here. You click on chats. When you click on chats, then you scroll down and then you'll see chat backup. Chat backup. You click on chat backup. When you click on chat backup, we have backup settings. Backup your chats immediate to your Google account storage. You can restore them on a new phone after you download WhatsApp on it. Meaning, anytime you lose your phone, or your phone has crashed, or your WhatsApp has crashed, you can always restore your messages, your videos, your important documents. So you need to, you see frequency, you click on frequency, then you can backup daily. You can backup daily, you can backup weekly, monthly, anyhow you want. So I'm going to click on daily. Then Google account, where do you want the backup to be happening? On your Gmail account. So you choose, you enter your Gmail account so that it will always be backing up on your Gmail account. So I'm going to choose my Gmail account. Then do you want to always include videos? Then you check it. So I'm going to check it. Backup using cellular, yes. So you check it. So after you have finished, then you click on backup. You click on backup. So backing up messages. Please wait a moment. So we are waiting. So you see, the last time I did backup was February. So you are going to wait for the backup to complete. So it's uploading. So you see, you can see it. So when you do backups, you will never lose your documents, you never lose your chats, you never lose your videos. So you wait for it to finish loading. So it is loading. You wait patiently for it to load. So it is loading. So even if you uninstall this WhatsApp and then you install it on the same WhatsApp or a different WhatsApp, you are still going to get all your messages, you are still going to get all your videos and everything. So it's uploading. So meaning it's going to chop 145 megabytes. So you can see, and it is at 50, 63, 65, 66, 70 megabytes. So you wait patiently for it to load. So after it has finished loading, that is all. If you are new here, I just want you to smash the subscribe button. smash the subscribe button, and then also like this video. Leave a comment in the comment section. Let me know whether you are following attentively. Thank you so much for watching.